Hi everyone, my name is Kristen, and today at the Wapiti Regional Library Creative Corner, I am going to show you how to make fossils. Dinosaurs are something that lived very long ago, and sometimes we can find their bones. Deep, deep in the earth, there are dinosaur bones, and when we find them, they are called fossils, and they kind of look like this. Fossils are just the bones of dinosaurs, and I'm going to show you how to make fossils of your own creatures or your favorite toys. Let's begin. To make your super cool fossils, you'll need 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt, and 3/4 cup of water. Add all the ingredients together. Start off by mixing with a spoon. Once it is well mixed, you can start mixing it together with your hands. This feels super cool. Keep on mixing until you have a solid ball. To make my fossils look older, I added some old coffee grounds. You do not have to do this. Then, pinch off some of your dough ball and roll it into a smaller ball. Place these balls on a baking sheet on parchment paper. Take whatever you want to make into a fossil and press hard into the dough ball. I used a seashell, then a toy, and then I also took some sticks and stones and made my own dinosaur creature. I used rocks for spikes and a stick for the back. I also used some more stones for the head and feet. The next step requires a hot oven, so ask an adult for help. You will then place your fossil balls into the oven at 250 degrees for 1 to 2 hours. Take out your fossils once they are hard. You can see my seashell fossil, toy fossil, and dinosaur. Have fun!